Welcome to MindFlows. Today, we'll go over the Workdoc feature in Monday.com. Thinking of a better way to collaborate with your team? Workdoc is a versatile, multimedia whiteboard where you and your team may write down all of your comments and thoughts around a single, overarching matter. So let's get going. One way to add a Workdoc is to click the Add button at the top left of our Monday.com account. Select New Doc and change the doc name, then click Create Doc. Pre-built templates are available for you to choose. Whether you are creating a doc for meeting notes, some work or personal to-do list, a project plan, marketing brief, or for a feature specs. And definitely, you can also start from scratch. By clicking Style, Doc Layouts, font style and sizes are found. You can change the layout of your doc by making it wide, or by clicking this one so to have a frame like this. Click any of these font style options that you want and change the font size here. The background color can also be changed by clicking this drop-down arrow, and you can add a cover image at the top of your doc by the toggle right here and choosing images from the libraries available at the top. Let's try to add a text on our doc and change the font to its default one. Supposing this text is a title of a certain paragraph, so we choose medium title. Another option to start writing on your doc is to write slash so that option settings may appear, such as the table layouts, media, embeds, and other collaborations tools. Add comments instructions here for your team members to see. Easily share this doc by clicking the Share button at the top right and enter the name or email of the person you want to share this doc with. Add someone as a co-owner of the doc by clicking the crown icon and choose between the options below who can edit your doc. If you want to share this doc to external members having a view-only access, just toggle this on and copy the link provided and share it. Make bulleted or numbered or checklists by clicking these at the top. Make your text align to the center, to the left, or right. You can also make columns by clicking this column icon by using the Monday.com Workdoc. Collaboration with team will never be the same again. Follow us for more Monday.com tutorials. We're MindFlows, a certified Monday.com partner.